This way you can get rid of fungal infections. All it takes is a foaming homemade mixture you can prepare in just 6 minutes. Put 3 tablespoons of rosemary into a pot, either dried or fresh. Rosemary not only smells wonderful, but also refreshes and helps cleanse the skin. Add about 2 cups of water and simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes until the rosemary releases its aroma and beneficial properties. Strain the liquid through a sieve. Only the infusion is needed. Measure about half a cup of vinegar and add it to the rosemary liquid. Vinegar naturally removes unpleasant odors and makes the mixture even more effective. Prepare a larger bowl and place your hands inside. Pour in the warm liquid, then add some baking soda. Baking soda refreshes and helps cleanse the skin more thoroughly. When combined, the ingredients create an alkaline bath that naturally supports protection against fungal infections. Once the foam settles, keep your hands in the mixture for about 10 more minutes. Use this method regularly until the problem goes away.